I should really edit this watch video today. It's just too nice outside. So my first video was intended to be the review for the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2, but today was such a nice day I decided to drag my wife out and get some footage with the brilliant Mavic Mini. This isn't a review, but a full one is coming very soon. Spoiler alert, the Mavic Mini is absolutely brilliant. I love it. I recommend it to everyone. This is a chance for you to see the quality that you could get from a drone which costs less than £400 and fits into the palm of your hand. Just FYI, all of the footage you're about to see was actually taken on the site of the proposed London resort / Paramount Park, which is due to open in 2024. So it's pretty cool. It's worth noting I have not color graded any of the Mavic Mini footage, so you are seeing all of the natural colors that are coming straight out of this 2.7K sensor. Anyway, please enjoy. So my next video will definitely be the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2 review, but then beyond that, please keep an eye out for some Final Cut Pro tutorials that are coming very soon as well. You may have noticed a couple of effects in this video, such as cloning yourself and also tracking tools, so I'll give you some tutorials on how you can do that. Obviously, it's a brand new YouTube channel. If you like the concept, you like the video, you find it interesting, you want to see more, please give it a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.